21st problem, see here. Find the four numbers forming the geometric progression in which third term. What is the third term? Third term is greater than the first term by 9. Means A3 minus A1 is equals to 9. And second term is greater than the fourth term. Second term is greater than the fourth term by 18. सही है ना? Third term is greater than the first term by 9 and second term is greater than the fourth term by the 18. So this is the information given to you and what are the four numbers you need to find. So here not complicated but a r square minus a is equals to 9. From this a common if you are taking r square minus 1 is equals to 9. Here AR minus AR cube is equals to 18. Okay. AR if you are taking 1 minus R square is equals to 18. So this equation number 1 you consider this equation number 2. Or otherwise here you take the minus common. Minus AR into R square minus 1 is equals to 18. Equation number 2. 1 2 divided by 1 2 divided by 1. Second equation implies minus AR into R square minus 1 is equals to 18 by A into R square minus 1 by 9. So A will get cancelled as minus R is equals to 2, R equal to minus 2. This you substitute in equation number 1. So what do you get? A into minus 2 whole square minus 1 is equals to 9. A into 4 minus 1 is equals to 9. A is equals to 9 by 3. So A is equals to 3. Therefore, 4 terms of the geometric progression are 4 terms of the geometric progression. A, AR, AR square, AR cube. A is equals to 3. R equals to minus 2, minus 6, plus 2, minus 20. Whether the given information is right, difference between the A3 and A. They don't know the difference. This is greater than this one by the 9. This is greater than this one by the 18. Okay. Next. Second problem see here. P, Q, and R terms of the geometric progression are A, B, C respectively. Okay. AP is equals to P term is equals to A. Q term is equals to B. And R term is equals to C. And asking you to find out A power Q minus R into B power R minus P into C power P minus Q is equals to 1. Okay. So AP is nothing but A R to the power of P minus 1 is equals to A. But here the A is different. A cancel nahi karna. So to avoid the confusion, let capital A is the first term of the geometric progression. Let capital, because already small a is here, it is given. Capital A is first term and capital R is common ratio. So then we are going to AP is nothing, capital A R to the power of P minus 1 is equals to A. Capital A R to the power of Q minus 1 is equals to B. capital A r to the power of r minus 1 is equals to c. Just a substitution only here, nothing is there. A power q minus r is given. Is there any other easiest way? No, direct substitution is done. A power q minus r, b power r minus p, c power p minus q. This is equals to 1. We need to put this. In the place of a, you write a r to the power of p minus 1 whole to the power of q minus r. Into p is a r to the power of q minus 1 whole to the power of r minus p into a r to the power of r minus 1 whole to the power of p minus q. A power q minus r, a power q minus r power p minus 1 into q minus r. Is it okay? And a power r minus p into r power q minus 1 into r minus p. Next, a power p minus q into r power r minus 1 into p minus q. Now, all the a powers you write together. A power q minus r plus r minus p plus p minus q. This one, and this one. So, which is and r power also. P minus 1 into q minus r plus q minus 1 into r minus p plus r minus 1 into p minus q. ये पूरा जीरो हो जाएगा. A पावर 0. ये भी 0 हो जाएगा. आप मल्टीप्लाई करके देखो. If you are simplifying that, PQ minus PR, okay, PQ minus PR minus Q plus QR, and you go on expanding like this. Okay. Next, plus QR minus PQ minus R plus P. Oh, here plus R, QR plus R. Next, plus PR plus PR minus QR minus P plus Q. All the terms will get cancelled. Here plus PQ is there, here minus PQ is there. Either plus PQ, here minus PQ. Minus PR plus PR. Minus Q plus Q is here. Plus R minus R. Plus QR minus Q. Plus P minus P. So power is 0. So we are going to get here a power 0 into r power 0, which is equals to 1. Just this is algebra question. It's not a, in that algebra में थोड़ा सा geometry included. Just algebra expansion only. Just you are going to have the powers and exponents chapter of the 7th class. 7th class में powers and exponents chapter है. From in that you are going to have this model. Yes. Okay. Next. Third question. If the first term and the nth term of the geometric progression are A and B. First term is A. First term is A. And nth term is equals to B. And if P is the product of n terms, B is the product of n terms. Prove that P square is equals to AB power n. P is the product of n terms. So let the geometric progression as whatever it is given, P is the product of n terms. Product of n terms is equals to capital. We need to prove that P square is equals to AB power n. Simple question. AB simple, same algebra only. Geometry. Let the geometric progression as first term A. So A, AR, AR square, and so on, AR to the power of n minus 1. This is equals to B. It is given that. Okay, AR to the power of n minus 1 is equals to B. It is given. And what is the product of all these terms it is asking you? Okay, product. P square is equals to A into AR into AR square into and so on, AR to the power of n minus 1 whole square. Isn't it? So what is here? AR to the power of n minus 1 is equals to B. Now in the question it is asking AB whole power n is asking. A into B power n. What to do? P square is given to you. Product of the nth term is given or some of the n terms. Nth term only given to you, A and B, and P is the product of the n terms. Then how do you do it? ये product है ना? ये how many times होगा? n times होगा. ये n times होगा. And r to the power of 1 plus 2 plus and so on n minus 1 times for this whole square. Okay. So now here you can say that given that nth term an is equals to b given to you, a r to the power of n minus 1 is equals to b. You keep it aside that one. वो b हम लोग इधर यूज करना है. तो कैसे यूज करेंगे? We need to get, then what is b power n we will get here? A power n तो आया, a power 2n हो गया square में. Okay, so now what do we get here? We are going to get it ab whole power n है ना. रिवर्स में थोड़ा सोच लो. ab whole power n. We need to prove that p square equal. आपको आइडिया आने के लिए मैं ऐसा बोल रहा हूँ सभी. a power n into b power n. रिवर्स से RHS से लेकर. So a power n to the power of n whole to the power of n. So इधर a power n, r power n minus 1 into n आया ना. a power n whole square आ गया. समझ में आ रहा है ना what I am doing here? So now here we will extract that steps from here itself. Otherwise RHS separate. This is LHS consider कर. This is RHS. तो ये इधर तक आ गया ना भाई. इसको sum of the first n terms formula क्या है? Sum of the first n term 1 plus 2 plus and so on till the n terms is equals to n into n plus 1 by 2 till the n minus 1 is there. So till the n minus 1 is nothing but 1 plus 2 plus and so on. N minus 1 is nothing but n minus 1 into n by 2. This is what n minus 1 into n by 2. So that we have to write here. A power n into r power n minus 1 into n minus 1 into n by 2 whole square. So that we have a power 2n into r power 2 into n minus 1 into n by 2. 2 will get cancelled. We are going to get a power n 2n into r power n into n minus 1. So here we are getting a power 2n r into n minus 1. Both are same. ये ऐसे ही डायरेक्टली एक्सट्रैक्ट कर सकते हैं बट थोड़ा आइडिया आप लोगों को नहीं आ सकता था. दैट्स व्हाई आई टोल्ड यू लाइक दिस. नाउ LHS इक्वल टू RHS आ गया. सो LHS इज इक्वल्स टू RHS. So from this you can say that p square is equals to ab whole power n. This result you can remember here. ये आप कभी भी किया ना, this will be useful to you in competitive exams. JEE में use होता है. This result you can remember. Product of n terms of the geometric progression is equals to, with the help of this one only, we are going to, I already said to you that product of n geometric means is equals to, do you remember? Product of n geometric means formula is equals to, what is product of n geometric means? Suppose A and B का बीच में n geometric means are inserted. Do you remember? The product of all these geometric means is equals to what I told you. AB power n, AB power n, root AB power n, root AB power n. So that is can be n by 2. Isn't it? Root AB single geometric mean का whole power n should be taken into consideration because number of terms whenever here. That is a product. Product of product of only. Now here it is given to you first term and last term, and total product is given. Total product from this result, what you can say? Total product B is equals to AB whole power n by 2 we can write. AB whole power n by 2 you can write. But here we are going to have the n terms. This is nth term. Here we are going to have the n plus 2 terms. Total. So both from that result only we are going to get this. Both are same. समझ में आ रहा है ना? So that's why I told you that concept, along with the concept, some results we need to remember, so that the problems becomes in objective type in JEE exams, you can solve it in easiest way. This is a simple question only, but this result you need to remember. Okay? समझ में आया? Next. Twenty-fourth one. Show that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression to the sum of the terms from the n plus 1 to 2n term. 2n term is equals to 1 by r to the power of n. From here onwards, the proofs we are going to have here. So what is question asking you? Try to understand the question here. Show that the ratio of the sum of the first n terms of the geometric progression to the sum of the n plus 1 to 2nth term. So n plus 1 to 2nth term, how many terms will be there? There are also n terms. Number of terms are n, but in that first term is different, and common ratio is same. Okay, so here we need to prove that ratio of the Sn. Okay, first let us consider, let the geometric progression as ar square and so on, ar to the power of n minus. These are n terms. N terms. Sum of these n terms ratio to the ar to the power of n. n plus 1th term. This is n plus 1th term.